Morning, I'm Beetlejuice from Reddit's Wicked Edge, and today I'm going to try something a little different. One of our posters brought up the fact that he's been shaving with hair conditioner in the shower using a double edge, and I thought, I've done a craze here, so let's take that one for a drive. Just cheap, not exotic, anything. Prep-wise, I'm just out of the shower, scrubbed in shower with a bit of glycerin soap, not Mr. Glow, sorry guys. And didn't say how much, I'm assuming it doesn't need to be dripping. And as I said in the thread, this does make sense. The silicone, don't remember the exact chemical designation, but it's a silicone derivative to exchange for the oil that's stripped off in your hair from the shampoo, which of course, if you've forgotten the conditioner, you find that your hair turns into, well, in my case, a Brillo pad. So it does logically follow that it would act as a fairly good lubricant for the purpose, but it doesn't really support the beard, so you're shaving flat. Now, as for comfort, not quite as clean as and not quite as smooth as a soap shave. You can notice it right out of the gate, but if I were to call it, that might be better than oil. Just wondering why you're not hearing any water. I'm using a washcloth to wipe that down. So comfortable enough that I'm going to do a second pass on that. And the fact that it's already skin friendly. And if you're willing to put this on the layer of skin closest to your brain, I'm guessing it's probably okay for your face. Making sure my hands are dry. A single long, insanely sharp blade, and not a lot of traction. It's not a good mix. I'm impressed. Yeah, I've definitely done worse oil shaves, and I've had worse soap shaves. It's by no means going to replace my soap. In a limited water situation, or don't take your brush, seems to work. Give me a second here. Now we get to find out how bad the damage was, if any. Although I gotta say, I don't expect much. Little Allen block here. Watch the eyes. This is where you're gonna find out if this is actually a problem or not. I'll be damned. I would call that a success. So there you go. Can you? Yes. Should you? Personal preference. It's easy. I didn't think there was such a thing as a shaving cream, like a waterless cream, but that would work effectively, but here you go. So I'd actually recommend that if you're having trouble getting a soap to work for you, or you're having trouble getting your lather consistent or whatever, or you're just learning and it's so much to take on taking all at once. Give it a shot. It seems to work actually quite well. I'm probably going to run that for another couple of days just to see, but I gotta say, that's looking good. So, the usual aftershave splash, and that's it. No burn. I gotta say, going into this, I didn't think it was going to work this well, but hey, I'm happy to be proven wrong. Till next time, I'm Beetlejuice from Reddit's Wicked Edge. Keep 'em sharp.